Hello friends, the topic of today's MCQ is 3 years she grew in sun and shower, a poem by William Wordsworth. Friends, 3 years she grew in sun and shower is one of the Lucy poems. It was written in 1798 in Germany. The poem was published in Lyrical Ballads in the second edition. It deals with Lucy's education by nature. Of all the Lucy poems, 3 years she grew in sun and shower is the longest. It consists of 42 lines. With this brief introduction to the poem, let us jump to our topic MCQ round 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Number 1. Which of the following is true to 3 years she grew in sun and shower? Options are A. It is a poem by William Wordsworth. B. It is also known as the education of nature. C. It deals with Lucy's education by nature. D. All these are true. Answer is D. All these are true. Number 2. Which of the following is true to the poem 3 years she grew in sun and shower? Options are A. It is poem of 42 lines. B. It is written in 6-line stanza form. C. It is in the form of a lyrical ballad. D. All these are true. Answer is D. All these are true. Number 3. The nature thought of Lucy as dustus. Options are A lovely flower. B. A bright star. C. Sparkling pearl. D. Something else. Answer is A lovely flower. Number 4. The nature takes Lucy into her care to dustus. Options are A. To make her a lady of her own. B. To make her her own companion. C. To teach her to dance and sing. D. None of these. Answer is A. To make her a lady of her own. Number 5. How old was Lucy when the nature adopted her? Options are A. 3 years. B. 5 years. C. 7 years. D. 9 years. Answer is A. 3 years. Number 6. Nature wishes Lucy to be as sportive as dustus. Options are A. Hare. B. Fawn. C. Bird. D. Wind. Answer is B. Fawn. Number 7. Who of the following will teach Lucy humility and politeness? Options are A. Clouds. B. Willows. C. River roots. D. Wind. Answer is B. Willows. Number 8. Lucy learns to be active and powerful from dustus. Options are A. Storm. B. Willow. C. Clouds. D. River roots. Answer is A storm. Number 9. What will Lucy learn from the floating clouds? Options are A. Majesty. B. Modesty. C. Happiness. D. Something else. Answer is A. Majesty. Number 10. How soon my Lucy's race was run is a line from the poem entitled Dustus. Options are A. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. B. A slumber did my spirit see. C. I travelled among the unknown men. D. She dwelt among the untrodden ways. Answer is A. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Number 11. Which of the following Lucy poem describes Lucy's education by nature? Options are A. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. B. Strange fits of passion have I known. C. I travel among unknown men. D. A slumber did my spirit seek. Answer is A. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Number 12. Which of the following is true to the poem 3 years she grew in sun and shower? Options are A. It is one of the Lucy poems. B. It was published in 1800. C. It is included in the lyrical ballads. D. All these are true. Answer is D. All these are true. Number 13. Wordsworth wrote 3 years she grew in sun and shower in his stay in Dastas. Options are A. France. B. Germany. C. Poland. D. Elsewhere. Answer is B. Germany. Number 14. Which of the following is the longest poem of Lucy series? Options are A. Strange fits of passion have I known. B. She dwelt among the untrodden ways. C. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. D. I traveled among unknown men. Answer is C. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Number 15. What role does the nature play in the life of Lucy? Options are A. Nurse. B. Guardian. C. Teacher. D. All these. Answer is D. All these.